Welcome back to DonClub.net this Friday. Congratulations to all callers yesterday as we get the job done in the NBA, as we instruct all clients to take over the total of 180, in the Atlanta-Cleveland matchup. Final score down here on the lower left, 105 to 85 as they get the job done. Man, I have never seen a series so one-sided. It's not even funny. Then we move over to the top of the tab and we go to our hockey crew. Our hockey crew goes 1-1 yesterday as we instruct all clients to play Chicago and Detroit, both favorites, minus 1.5 goals. We lose the Chicago game as they win by 2-1, and Detroit gets the job done, tying up the series 2-2, 6-3. You get back 200 on your money. You go 1-1 and you make a dime. And then we move over to the MLB. As you'll see here on today's MLB card, there's no early action. If you look down here at the bottom, we'll go through each game individually. We have 3 MLB games. Philadelphia against the Mets. We instruct all clients to lay the 1.5 runs, get back 155. They win the game, as you can see here, 7-5, opening up the first inning 4-1 and basically never giving up the lead. Then we move on to the next game. Baltimore, Minnesota, which was a loss, as we go over the total of 10 runs, and we missed that by a point. 5-4 final. They explode early, and they couldn't get the job done. As you look in the 4th and the 5th inning, 0-0, 0-0. Those 2 innings, and the first inning, 3 innings scoreless, hurt us on that total. And then the nice comeback of the night is we instruct all clients to take Zimmerman with Washington on the mound. They are down 6-0, if you look at my cursor, in the first inning. Scoreless second, scoreless third, scoreless fourth, scoreless fifth. 6-1 after 6 innings. They score 3 in the top of the 7th, and they score 6 in the 8th, and they score 1 in the 9th, taking an 11-9 lead. You get back 1,400. So for the night, you win 1950, going 2-1 in MLB. You go 1-1 and win 1,000 in the NHL Syndicate. You go 1-0 in the Nickel Club, and you win a nickel with over the total. For all you intraday future traders, let's look up here at the overnight chart and intraday ES. You'll see here at 4:15 in the morning, we hit a low tick of 911 on the ESE mini contract. After a pullback to 903, let me see if I can make this chart any smaller. Let me go over here and change the time value on this thing. Style, intraday, we'll do 1 day, and we'll do 1 minute. Okay. We hit a low tick of 903. Let me go back and change this. Intraday, today, 233 tick. We had a low tick of 103 in around 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and then we dropped. We were at 9:15 when I went to bed. We hit a low tick at 4:15 of 911. We hit a high tick this morning at 7:29 at 921.75. We have faded a little off at 919 after the stress tests have come out. Yesterday's intraday high, pre-market high on the needle and the gap up was 929. So you see here we hit 921.75. Let's see if we can break that 929. If not, it'll be as short as the light this Friday. Check our trading log if you have any questions regarding our intraday trading. If you're a sports member, our first game starts at 7:05 Eastern Standard Time in the MLB National League and American League. We'll move over to today's NBA card. We have Boston, Orlando. Game opened at 4.5 points. The Lakers opened at 1.5 against Houston. If you can believe it, both series are tied 1-1, so we have a little more action than we do in that Cleveland series. In terms of the NHL, let's see if we have any NHL today. We have 2 NHL games today, Pittsburgh and Washington, Boston and Carolina. Hard to believe Carolina is up 2-1, and we'll see if Boston can get a win tonight. We'll let you know what we're doing with these games later this evening. Give us a call at the club if you have any questions, www.donclub.net.